we go. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Lock Junkie here. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I have this sexy, old school Assa Ruko 2 closed shackle padlock. It is a must-have for me in my collection. I just absolutely, had to have it. So I grabbed it from my buddy JD. That is the bitting. And let's stick it in the vise. And I found for this guy, top of keyway with the 50 thou ergo is the way to go. All right, let's, okay. Okay, I'm gonna start that over. Okay, we got a nice deep full set. There it is. Cool. All right. There you have it, guys. That is the Assa Ruko 2 with the Assa 500 core in there. Picked. Slayed, actually. Good job, slayed. Like, subscribe, share, comment. Till next time, ciao.